Well, Ernie, how am I doing? I think I'm doing pretty well. Today is day 3 working on this siding project, making some good progress. And today's an exciting day. Right, Ernie? Because my siding gets delivered today. At least that's the plan. I got the call, they're bringing it today. So that's later on today. I'm going to keep working on this wall here. I pulled the insulation out of this one section because this is where I need to run a sewer vent pipe. I need to bring it in from the garage side and pop it up through the top of the roof up there. That's how we're going to start the day. This is the sewer pipe set up below the sink. The washing machine drains into the pipe on the left. The system needs a proper vent up through the wall. All right, this is what I came up with. 1.5 ABS 4-way. I'll come out of my rubber flex connector with that, into that. 45 with a no hub for my washing machine. And then I'll 45 with a no hub into the wall to go up the back side with another 45 up the back side of the wall through the roof. And this side I will connect my laundry tub on this side. I'm putting this together with no hub connectors. Just, you know, I don't know if that's really cool or not, but it's going to allow me to make adjustments and get everything aligned. And I can always go back later and glue it. So this is what I'm going to attack. This will work. All right, got to cut right through there. Yeah, that should work pretty good. Got through it. All right, the siding's here. This is great. So I got to break this pile, carry it piece by piece through that gate into the backyard. got all the siding stacked in here yesterday, and then called it quits. Just too warm to continue working out here in the sun, at least for me. And being that I got up at 4 in the morning, I thought, 2 o'clock was a good time to quit. I stacked these in 2 piles because some of these have some damage, and I thought it'd be easier to separate them out before rather than run into them as I work. This morning, I want to get up here on the roof and get the roof cut and get this roof jack, this roof flashing in place for my vent pipe before the sun gets up too high, because right now it's cool enough I can get up there and do some work. Yeah, that's gonna work fine. So I'm gonna leave off on this vent and sewer pipe portion, and I can work inside there and put the sink and all that drain together later when it's hot out here. Now I'm gonna make use of this cooler morning time and see if I can get my wiring going for my lighting and my outlet. This outlet down here that I've been using, I want to move that and get that over by the door, get that down there by the door, and the light, the patio light up there on the wall, I want to get that over by the door over there. And I also want to bring a light around and put it on the corner of the house up here, because my garbage area here, you come out here at night and you can't really see anything. So if I can mount a box up there and put a light there, that would be great. But what I discovered poking around here was that some of these studs are already pre-drilled. It's almost like somebody had started this before. Where is it? There it is. So this core hole goes in, and around the corner here goes through. There's unused boring in some of these studs. Of course, this has got electrical in it already, but I can fit another wire in there, I think. And see the boring over there? That was already there. So if I just bore these other studs so I can get the wire from that light through here, I can zigzag down, come through and hit these already bored studs, and it saves me drilling. I'm going to mount this box right over here for the light, and I'll run wire through that I just bored, drop down to those other pre-bored holes. But you know what I just realized? I only bought 25 feet of this 14 gauge wire, so I hope I have enough. Nail plates, just because this is all getting exciting and I don't want to hit a wire with a nail when putting up my siding. This irrigation wire that drops in from the attic, instead of going into the attic and pulling it out, I'm just going to notch this 2x plate back there like a 1/2 inch and just put that back into the plate, and then I can disconnect it down there and fish it through this stud with that hole that's already there. Lunchtime, yay, I got all this done before the sun got over here. I'm gonna have lunch, take a break, and then I'll finish the plumbing inside.